Both of these I did. There's a Facebook page called Forgotten Wisconsin.
Oh,
And so I'm a somewhat frequent poster on there. So I did crowdsourcing on there, and I would say, this is what I'm looking for. And I would also, and you know, can you help me? Well, the shrine ones got me over 430 responses.
Wow. That's
now,
amazing.
Some of them were really helpful, and some were the classic, there's one of them down by me. Not too helpful. And when you go back for the second question, it doesn't get any better.
Yeah.
So on all of these, I do a Google search, I Google map search, and and Street View if I can, make sure there is something there before I drive 3 hours across the street to find it. Yep, that's where it used to be. Yeah. And so I started doing these, and these are just really fun.
Oh yeah.
And I got these sometimes with referrals, and yet sometimes I'd find artists living 10 miles apart and didn't know of each other. And they were thrilled now at getting the book oh wow, there's one right down the road from me. I should stop by and see that guy, yeah.